Hello, how you doing? I'm Steven, owner of Sound Computers, and today we're going to show you how to set up and install Lastpass. First, you're going to select Get Lastpass Free, fill out the required information to create an account. Once you've created your account, click Install Lastpass. Depending on what browser you have, you'll be able to install the extension. Accept the permissions to add the extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, select the extension, accept the permissions, select Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the color of your Lastpass icon for the extension change color to red. Once installed, you'll be able to automatically generate passwords or save passwords you enter into websites. We'll use nytimes.com. We'll use New York Times website to create an account to demonstrate how to generate a password and save it. Go ahead and use your email address like normal. Then select the Lastpass extension. Select Generate Secure Password, then Fill Password. Lastpass will prompt you to add the password to your vault. Select Add, then Create Account. Log in like normal. You'll see the Lastpass icon. Select that. Select the proper website and log in. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to contact us, please visit us at www.soundcomputers.net. Thank you.